guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited to welcome back, yes, welcome back, the Teakberry Stationery Box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the Teakberry Stationery Box just arrived. The company actually did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So for this one, I can't remember how long it's been since I showed you guys one of their boxes, but I can tell you, however, it wasn't that long ago. I was digging through all my stuff trying to find something, which is definitely not organized right now because getting all the different journaling boxes and stuff like that, I just started like tossing things in boxes, so it's not organized like I want to. One day I really need to go through my whole closet and just organize everything. That's gonna take some time. However, I was looking through trying to find, I think I was trying to find like some sticker to put on like a card or something. And I found a box and I opened it up and it was like all of those cool little stuff that was inside of this box. And I'm pulling out little things and like the little bags that she would make. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what was this box again? So then I found a paper that had the name on it and I went to their website because I was going to order it to start bringing it to show you guys again because I really did enjoy the box and how she makes everything and what's inside of them. And I noticed they were not available at all anymore. Like they looked like they went out of business and I was like, oh, okay. So wow. All right. Well, at least I have these items that I can use, but I really did enjoy the box. Well, the other day, the owner actually got a hold of me and she said she's back. She's back in action. She's back going to be doing the boxes and she wanted to send me their box to show you guys. So I'm super excited that now March is the first box back. I will link the Crate Joy link down below if you would like to get a subscription to get it monthly. Or if you want to just purchase individual items or just the box individually, you can always go to their Etsy shop. It's the same price. And here's another thing. I went digging through, in case you guys don't know, I have like my book that I made myself like when I first started my channel. And inside of here is like all of the different companies that I'm currently doing, I've done in the past, has closed, I canceled for whatever reason. If they stop sending it to me, like everything that I normally sit here and tell you guys the information that I get for each company, I pulled this out from the back because again, it's been some years. And then I went to the Crate Joy and the Etsy shop and it's the same pricing. So even though several years has came and gone in between, she still launched with the same exact pricing. I don't know if that's going to be an introductory rate and it's going to raise later. So if you want to snag it, snag it. But I do want to point out the fact that it's opening up with the same pricing. So since it's been some time, let me go ahead and just tell you a little bit about the company, the pricing and everything first. That's what I do when I first bring a box to you guys. But since it has been some time, it's been some years, let's go ahead and just redo it now. So again, this is the Teakberry subscription box. You can do a month-to-month plan for $16.99 a month. That's it. This is less than $20. Shipping is an addition, but it's only $16.99. And right there, $16.99 is what it was years ago because I did not change or alter this paper. This box is perfect for those who love pen pals, letter writing, and snail mail. Each stationery box comes with 10 custom design pieces of stationery and are handmade envelopes. You will also receive other fun surprises such as die cuts, a pen or a pencil, washi tape samples, gift tags, journal cards, or homemade stickers and embellishments. A special mix of both handmade items and curated paper craft goodies from top brands, beautiful stickers and paper craft embellishments to share with others, add to cards, letters, and gifts. You can cancel at any time, and again, you can go to their Etsy shop to purchase individual items or just a one-time box if you don't want to actually do a whole subscription. The one-time boxes are also $16.99 on their Etsy shop, which I think is amazing. So it comes in this and it has like a little mailer bag, super cool for spring. So this is again their first box coming back in March and they're launching with a spring theme. And I love that because they kind of go with like different themes and stuff as well. Not always, but they tend to. So this is supposed to be like a springy kind of theme and I'm so excited for it. I'm so excited for it. So let's remove that. and it just comes like in the regular box, which these are actually great boxes if you want to store things in. I did keep several of these from before, and I have like different stickers and stuff like that stored in them. They're great boxes that you can reuse. And when you open it up, it has this cute little tissue paper. Oh my gosh, it has like this little old truck with flowers on it. That is so cute. So cute. So when we open it up, here is a sneak peek to inside of the box. So now you're gonna see how I was super, super excited before. And oh my goodness, I see, okay, hold up. Let me get this thing. This is kind of like stuck in here. There's some butterflies on these paper clips. These are homemade, like the little paper butterflies on them. She just makes the best stuff. They're just so cute, but look at these butterflies. If you guys follow me, you know my love for butterflies. So that is super cute. And then the backs of them even have like a different colored, like printed paper on the back. And then they have like a little, like 2 little jewel things on the top of them, if you can see that. So here's 5 different butterfly paper clips. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love that. Then it says page clips. So these are like bookmarkers. Like it says page clips. So I'm assuming you just stick the pages in there and it'll like hold it down. But look at how cute. And this one says note. It says a glimpse of heaven on that one. This one says note to self. But those are really, really cute. See, these are, again, homemade, but she makes the best stuff. This one says it has a butterfly on it, and it says good things take time. There's those 2 right there. These are just the cutest. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. So that is just so cute. So you have that. If you guys can tell, I love stuff like this. I've always loved stuff like this my entire life. So here's the next little package in here, and these are going to be homemade as well. And then one thing though that I do want to point out, oh my gosh, this is a cute, okay, for one, this is a really cute piece of paper, and then like the butterfly washi tape that went around it, that is really cute, like just to decorate the top. Like I never would have thought of that. But what I was going to tell you is inside of all of these, they do have like this backing paper right here. And what I would tell you guys before is you can always take this out and use this. You can use this for scrapbooking, journaling. You can reuse this paper that's in here as well. So it's not just these, you can use this as well. So let me get these out. Now these all have a little foam sticker on the back, so you can just remove that and stick it anywhere. But look at how fun that is. And then the last one right there. There's a set of 5 different, these are like little stickers that you can use for anything. Those are just so cute. Ooh, what are you? It has a little hummingbird on it. Oh, it's another sticker. So it has the 4 different points on each corner that you just remove the outside, and then you can stick it anywhere. But look at how cute this is. And then here is one more. Look at how pretty. This is so springy, you guys. This is so cute. Then, oh, we have, I guess, like a keychain that was stuck in there. It says laugh, and then there's like these little 2 dangles. This one has like roses on them as well, and then the balls, and it just says laugh on both sides. So you have like this little, you can use this as a keychain. You can use it on a little pull for like your purse, for like a zipper or anything like that, but you do have that in there. Now we have this, oh my gosh, these are so cute. The little dragonflies, and the same thing applies. You can take this card out of the back and reuse that piece of paper as well. So there's 5 different ones. You have this print, and it has the 2 stickers on the back. This print, that print, and then this print. And just to show you, there's like another piece of paper like that, and then there's this one on top, and then you have like these little jewels that go down the base of the body, and then one on the top. So it's not just like one piece of paper. These are layers, you guys. These are so cute. I love those dragonflies. Those are so pretty. So here is this little set here. Same thing applies with that paper on the back you can take out. And then you have all of those little like flowers, and they're different colors. So it's like like a punch out of all these different kinds of paper. So here's a set of all of these. Again, there's several different ones all inside of there, but you have this whole entire set of all of those different flowers with different colored paper. Okay, so now we're getting down to the bottom of the box, which there's normally like a pencil or a pen. This time we have this pencil. It's kind of like a holographic and it has the eraser on the end of it. So there's a pencil. Now we have some paper right here and it says, "Hello Spring." This is one thing that I really loved about this box too. There's homemade envelopes in here and they're all different like prints, so you can use them for anything. And then look, you can even take this ribbon off and reuse this ribbon too. Reuse instead of you throwing away. I love it. So all of these pieces of paper say "Hello Spring" and they're back and front sided. They're double sided. They have the little birds on the bottom, the little flowers. That is so cute. And if you want to know how many pages are here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, but they're kind of thick. They feel like there's more than that. So you have 5 of those. And then you are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 envelopes. And again, these are homemade envelopes. These are just super, super cute. I never would have ever thought to make an envelope, but you have this print, this print. I love that mint color right there. This is super, super springy, and same with this one right here. So you could always jot down a line and mail it to somebody and they'll have a really pretty, like colorful page with the envelope and everything. That is just so, so cute. So you have that. And I know every box always had the paper and the envelopes in it. And then down on the bottom, there's one more thing in here. And this says "Hello There." It looks like a nice little card inside of this one. How cute. It's all blank on the inside, so you can write your own message. But look at how cute that is with just those little hearts down there. And then it comes with this envelope to put it inside. And then there's also a piece of paper in there too. So I guess like you can either use this for anything or you can write on this as well and stick in the card, or use this for scrapbooking, journaling, whichever you would like. But I do like that homemade card. You can definitely use that for any occasion. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, it's only $16.99. You can buy a one-time box or you can get the subscription, which you can cancel at any time. So you have this actual card here. You have 5 envelopes and 5 pieces of paper. You have, oh, these are just so cute. These dragonfly sets. You have these 3 different hummingbird stickers. You have this set of stickers, the pencil. You have these hearts. You have these little clip things that I've never seen before. You have a keychain and you have butterfly paper clips. All right, you guys. So now that is everything that is inside of their new brought back March box. What do you guys think of everything inside? Welcome back to Teakberry Stationary Box. I am so glad they are back. This is the reason why I loved this box so much, because of all of these amazing homemade items that are in here that you can't find anywhere else. Like, you just can't. They're just absolutely amazing. I love them. If you'd like to go check them out, again, they will be all linked down below. You can go to the actual subscription site for Cratejoy, or you can go to their Etsy shop and purchase the one-time box or the individual items. So all of that will be linked down below for you to check out. If you'd like to check out other companies or discount codes or learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, and it's all there for you, and that's SheCrafty.com. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can see all the different videos that I upload. I do so many different ones. If a video comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. So that is everything again for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew.